Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Microsoft Teams camera not working. Let's fix it guys. Method on, you just need to go to search menu and type settings, click on open it. On left side select apps, on right side select installed apps and search for Teams. Just click on the three dot icon next to Microsoft Teams and select advanced options and scroll down and select the repair option and select the reset option. After getting both done, just to close tab here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, go to search menu and type settings, click on open it. On left side select privacy and security. On right side scroll down and select camera under app permissions. And in camera access make sure it is turned on and let the app access your camera. I'm running the Microsoft Teams in the background. Make sure it is turned on. After that check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type settings, click on open it. On left side select Bluetooth and devices. On right side scroll down and select camera. And you just need to select your connected camera. And you just need to select the disable option and select yes. And again select the enable option. And now you just need to close it up here and go to search menu and device manager. Click on open it. And expand the camera. Right click on your camera and select update drivers. Select search automatic for drivers. Now press Windows key and R key together, type percentage app local app data, percentage again, click on OK. Find Microsoft, double click on it, now find the Teams folder, just right click on it and select delete option. After that, just to close stuff here. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4, we just need to remove the background in the camera. To do this, just need to open up Teams and meeting. Now start meeting. Go to three dot icon and select the video effects and settings and make sure these effects are not selected. If it is selected like this, then you just need to select none and select apply and scroll down and filters. If you selected any of these filters, select none and select apply to save changes, and this may cause issues with the camera. Now turn off the camera and turn back on and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 5, just need to uninstall and reinstall Teams. To do this, go to search menu and type Microsoft Teams. Just right click and select uninstall option. After getting uninstalled done, open up Chrome and search Microsoft Teams and select the first link and select the download now option and select the download Microsoft Teams for Windows. Click on it, the setup and install it. After the installation done, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.